we doing? Right, I'm gonna try out this Gousto box. Roasted cauliflower korma and fragrant rice. They haven't got any cauliflower, so we've got fake chicken. First box going strong Gousto. Bung it in, rice. Wow, that's just, I'm just gonna try and do this, guys. Let's go. I need a pan. Do they mean a red onion when they say brown onion? Oh wait, it has a picture. I call this white onions. Do you not call them white onions? Yeah, that one. Look at my tits. Proper Lego. Then that. Peel and finely chop or grate the garlic. I don't actually know. Oh, you do this. Scrape off the skin with a teaspoon. Cool. Done that. Shit, hold on. Dissolve the coconut cream and veg stock in boiling water. This is your coconut stock. Add rice and cover. It all real. I put yogurt all over me, all over my new jumper. So I put the stock for the curry in with the rice. I got in my head about fragrant rice. Then I was like cooking chicken. Why is it not soupy? Where does it get the soupiness from? I added some water. I added all the herbs and then I added some yogurt. I also haven't toasted my almonds very well. It said watch them like a hawk. I don't think these people know what it's like to cook taco shells. Those are way more temperamental. These are just like, I'm browning it. I've got a meal. I don't know, I can eat that chicken. It just looks too like chicken. Right, I will try it, but not right now. It's not great. Oh, let me try a bit of the chicken. It's from Naked Glory. I don't know if that was a bit chewy. I got Domino's, guys. Right, well, stay tuned for another episode of Cooking with Emily Does Gousto, because this was such a great one. Like and subscribe, please. Let me know if you tried a Gousto box. Let me know if you made the same mistake as me, or if you just nailed it and actually it's really nice and it has the cauliflower and you actually have the ingredients in the right order. See you later. Bye.